Hey everyone, this is GCP Code, and in this video we will discuss about this Cloud Spanner Quick Start Lab. So after starting the lab, simply open your Google Cloud Console in incognito window. Then come on to the task number one and simply copy this spanner text from here, and then come on to your Google Cloud Console, paste it here in the search box. Then simply open this first one and let's close this pop-up. And now here you have to click on this create and make sure to select enterprise and then click on this continue. For the instance name, come on to the lab instruction page and in the task number one, in point number four, you will get this instance name. So copy this instance name and then paste it here and leave it as default. Then click on this continue. After that, make sure to select regional here and here we have to select our region. So you will get your region in the lab instruction page. So for me, the reason is US based one. So I will copy this and paste it here and let me select my reason. Then simply click on this continue. Then leave it as default. Then click on this create. Now just wait for some time. Okay, so we have got the pop-up of instance created. Now let's move to the another task. So for task number two, simply click on this create database. Then here we have to put our database name. So simply come on to the lab instruction page and come on to the task number two. You will get your database name here. So simply copy your database name from here and then paste it here. Then leave all the things as default. Then click on this create. Now again, just wait for some time. Okay, so we have got the pop-up of database created. Now let's wait for some time. And now we are done with the task number two also. Now let's move to the task number three. For the task number three, simply click on this create table and then click on this new tab and then come on to the lab instruction page and scroll down a little bit. You will get the task number three. Here we have to create a schema. So simply copy this query from here and paste it here. Now you can ignore this error. Simply click on this run and again just wait for some time. Okay, so we have got the green tick here. Now let's come to the lab instruction page and let's click on check my progress for all the tasks. And yeah, we are done with this lab. So that's it for this video. And if you have any doubt, you can let me know in the comment section or you can join our Telegram group and the link of the group is in the description box. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one.